Welcome back. So in this lesson, we will have an overview about the project for this section. So we are going to predict whether income exceeds 50k per year or not using the adult dataset we have been using throughout the section. Okay, but what we are going to do is that we are going to load first the dataset, perform all the proper data pre-processing and cleaning. So instead of just loading the data and perform the minimal data pre-processing, we will perform all the necessary and all the expected data pre-processing and cleaning. And I will justify all the steps. I will justify all the pre-processing I'm doing, all the cleaning I'm doing. I will try to elaborate and describe as much as possible, because the most important thing in your code is to be readable and easy to understand. Okay, then after that we will run our implementation on the complete dataset after the pre-processing and after the cleaning, and we will compare the accuracy we get using the complete dataset with all the pre-processing and all the cleaning with the accuracy we got before. Okay, and we will explain why the results are now most probably better, right? And if they are worse because of some pre-processing we did, then we will explain also why the results are now worse. And after that we will perform hyperparameter tuning using the grid search, so just like what we did in the hyperparameter tuning section, and we will visualize the full tree after the pre-processing and the cleaning with the sklearn functions. We saw this before also, and we will discuss the first two features and the attribute that the tree will split on. Do these features really make sense? So does it really make sense to split based on these features and based on these values or not? Okay, and if yes, then why? If no, then why? Okay, after that we will conclude the project by plotting the feature importance and choosing the most important 5 of them, just like what we did in the previous lesson. But in addition to this, we will also choose the most important of them, and we will run the algorithm only on these 5 features, and we will compare the accuracy we get using the 5 most important features with the accuracy we got using the full dataset, right? So this is the project. Let's go to the next lesson and start seeing how we can do all this. So let's go.